Hi friends, welcome to this video on how to make your home eco-friendly with 10 sustainable upgrades. Did you know that the average home emits more than 10 tons of carbon dioxide every year? That's right, our homes, the places we cherish most, contribute to nearly 20% of global greenhouse gas emissions. But here's the good news, you have the power to change that. Every small action you take in your home can create a ripple effect, leading to massive global change. Sustainable living isn't just about saving the planet, it's about saving money, improving your health, and creating a space you'll love to live in. So, let's dive into 10 easy, actionable, and eco-friendly upgrades you can make today. You will also learn about how to do it and why it matters. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's talk lighting. Traditional incandescent bulbs waste up to 90% of their energy as heat. Switching to LED bulbs can cut your energy use for lighting by up to 75%. Plus, they last 25 times longer, saving you money on replacements. Start by replacing bulbs in high-traffic areas like your living room or kitchen. Look for LEDs with a warm white tone for that cozy vibe. This simple swap reduces your carbon footprint and slashes your electricity bill. Win-win. Next, let's tackle your heating and cooling. Did you know that heating and cooling account for nearly half of your home's energy use? A programmable thermostat lets you set temperatures based on your schedule, so you're not wasting energy when no one's home. Installing a smart thermostat is easier than you think. You can program it to lower the heat or AC when you're asleep or at work. You'll save up to 10% on your energy bills annually and reduce unnecessary emissions. Plus, modern designs look super sleek. Upgrade number 3 is all about water conservation. The average shower uses 2.5 gallons of water per minute, but a low-flow showerhead cuts that down to just 1.5 gallons, without sacrificing that spa-like experience. Swap out your old showerhead for a WaterSense labeled low-flow model. Installation takes minutes and requires no special tools. You'll save thousands of gallons of water each year, lower your water heating costs, and help protect our precious freshwater resources. Let's keep that cozy air inside where it belongs. Drafty doors and windows can increase your energy bills by up to 30%. Weather stripping is an affordable fix that seals gaps and prevents air leaks. To upgrade, pick up self-adhesive weather stripping from your local hardware store and apply it to the edges of doors and windows. It's a quick DIY project that keeps your home energy efficient, reduces emissions, and makes your space more comfortable year-round. Upgrade number 5 is a game-changer for waste reduction: composting. Food scraps and yard waste make up nearly 30% of what we throw away, but composting turns that waste into nutrient-rich soil for your garden. You can start small by getting a compost bin or designate a spot in your backyard. Add food scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, along with yard waste like leaves. Composting reduces landfill methane emissions, enriches your soil naturally, and cuts down on the need for chemical fertilizers. Let's take sustainability beyond the home with reusable shopping bags. Single-use plastic bags can take up to 1,000 years to decompose, and billions end up in landfills and oceans every year. Keep a stash of reusable bags in your car or near your front door so you never forget them. Bonus points for choosing bags made from recycled materials. This simple habit reduces plastic waste, protects wildlife, and sends a powerful message about sustainable living. Upgrade number 7 is all about greening your outdoor space. Planting native trees and shrubs beautifies your yard, supports local ecosystems, and reduces your carbon footprint. Research native plants for your region and plant them in your yard or garden. They require less water and maintenance than non-native species. Trees absorb CO2, provide shade to reduce cooling costs, and create habitats for pollinators like bees and butterflies. It's a gift to nature and your wallet. Next up, let's talk appliances. Old, inefficient appliances can account for up to 30% of your home's energy use. Switching to Energy Star certified appliances can make a huge difference. When it's time to replace your fridge, washer, or dishwasher, look for the Energy Star label. These appliances use up to 50% less energy and water. You'll lower your utility bills, reduce emissions, and enjoy top-notch performance. It's an investment that pays off. Upgrade number 9 is all about what you clean with. Conventional cleaning products often contain harmful chemicals that pollute our waterways and indoor air. Eco-friendly alternatives are just as effective and much kinder to the planet. Swap out your cleaners for plant-based, biodegradable options, or make your own using vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. You'll reduce water pollution, improve indoor air quality, and create a healthier home for you and your family. And finally, let's go big with upgrade number 10, solar panels. Solar energy is one of the cleanest, most renewable energy sources available, and it's more accessible than ever. To upgrade, research local solar providers, explore available incentives or payment plans, and consider a solar installation for your roof. Solar panels can slash your electricity bills, reduce your reliance on fossil fuels, and even increase your home's value. It's the ultimate eco-friendly upgrade. And there you have it, 10 sustainable upgrades to make your home eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and future-friendly. Remember, every small step you take is part of a bigger movement toward a healthier planet. Which upgrade are you most excited to try? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on sustainable living. Until next time, stay green and keep shining.